What you got here?
Another quilt.
Wow.
This is Linda's quilt.
Linda, your quilt is gorgeous. I see a snowflake.
Yep.
So this is no Bluster, no
Snowstorm.
Snowstorm. That's it. I kept wanting to say Bluster, but I know that wasn't it. Here's a thread. Let me grab it. This is really pretty. It looks like it's all batiks, and it looks like an icy winter storm. It's gorgeous. Wait, here's what else is really gorgeous. Minky on the back. So pretty. This is like a
She called
sampling of
block of the month.
Block of the month. Okay, there we go. That's why I said a sampling, because look, we have Dresden's and we got looks like some type of almost like a hunter star, but I know that's not what that was. I'm not quite sure what these blocks are called, but it is gorgeous. I love how this comes out into the border. That is just so neat. I love when quilts do that. All right, so thread color.
Silver.
Silver. Man, this is gorgeous. This is very large. What's the size?
Extra large.
Extra large.
It's 108 by 108.
108 by 108. Man, it is absolutely beautiful. I just love all the blues and the icy whites, and it is gorgeous. And then there is the top of the quilt. And again, how it extends into the border, that is just so cool. I love it. Very nicely done. All right. Thank you, Linda.